Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. Welcome to another new tutorial. This tutorial is about also WordPress and especially how you can test your website on various devices using only your laptop. So as you can see, this is a website that I'm making for a client. The website looks fine, but I don't know if it is good on devices like phone and or laptop, etc. In order to test that for free and using only your navigator, what you need to do is you just need to click on right click inspect, and here you have different tabs. As you can see, just focus on toggle device toolbar. You can also do that by clicking on Control and Shift and M at the same time. Okay, so by clicking on toggle toolbar, as you can see, now it's enabled. As you can see it in blue. Here you can select the device type that you want to test your website on. For example, let's test my website on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now here is what my website will look like on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, and I'm going to make some edits for that, such as the logo, as you can see, is not compatible with this device. Also, there is a lot of devices that you can choose, like iPad Air, Samsung, and also you can edit and add a new device if you want to add a new device. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you understand how you can test your device on multiple devices. I hope you understand how you can test your website on multiple devices. Thank you for watching this video.